It's a mystery. Yeah, how love can work out sometimes.
So hey guys, this is Lawrence Yntig. So I'm gonna teach you how to download Macromedia fireworks. So first, let's go to Google. Then search the fireworks to install. Now click this button below, the first one, download Macromedia fireworks and Mac 2004. So here, if you don't already done it to download it, click download now. So I already done the download, so I'm gonna go here. So it's here, MX4. So click it, then say yes. Then wait for a while. So click the next one, yes, then next, then next, along the way. So it's installing. I'm gonna skip this, and I'm gonna use this in tab later. So finish. So it's already done. So click the finish. Now here we go. The Macromedia Fireworks MX 2004. So here now. So some of here, if you first download it, you will encounter some serial code. So just search it, the code. So search Macromedia Fireworks MX 2004 serial. So use this serial Fireworks MX 2004 platform win. So this is the serial code. Here, and use this, the third one. Oh, my laptop is so lagging. So it's already done. So that's all. If you're done doing the serial, so you can use the Macromedia fireworks. That's all guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Promise to love you, to be there to the end of my day. Girl, I can never ever break your heart. Girl, I'ma love you forever.